in the coming years. And as you saw in my slide regarding the integrated resource plan, TVA is reducing the amount of coal-fired capacity as a portion of its fleet, and is ramping up in a lot of other clean energy areas, including renewables. With respect to the costs of the health impacts, that is something that EPA extrapolates from the National Ambient Air Quality Standards being set under the Clean Air Act in a group called the Clean Air Scientific Advisory Committee, if you want to know the details, that is a lot of PhD experts in epidemiology and medicine, and they extrapolate numbers of illnesses associated with inhaling, for example, particulate matter in the air, and they try to put a number on it. It's a very inexact science, but it usually does garner quite a bit of headlines, and the entire utility industry is very sensitive to that. But that said, emissions from the utility industry are declining dramatically, including from coal-fired units, as emission controls are being implemented at nearly all of those facilities now.